Hey everyone, we're here in the bridal section of our booth, and Alex is going to tell us a little bit about some of the new bridal things that we're showing off this year at JCK.
Yep. What we have here is some of our newer assortment, some of our trendier pieces. You see a lot of fancy halos, some different center stone shapes, some color in there as well. Everything's very trendy but still very bridal. Or you could also take some of them and turn them into fashion, but we love that they look like they came off of Pinterest. They're for the new bride who wants something a little bit lighter, a little bit more fun. So that's what you see a lot in this case, along with some contour bands that we've been developing that fit along with a lot of different shaped stones. So it's nice that you can pair them with almost anything. And we also have some pieces from our newest designer collection that takes a lot of those elements that I was just speaking about, like the fancy halos, the ballerina style, some fun shaped center stones, and pairs them all together in a collection that our customers can shop.
All right, if you want to come check these out, they're really nifty, they're really cool looking. They're here in our bridal section of our booth, right here at Michigan and Broadway, so come on and check it out.